Okay, so this video will disassemble a D12 series, a hot end, the printing head. Okay, so let's start. Yeah, we can first take off the fan shroud, and we need to use 3 of the wrench. One is a 2.5 hex wrench, 2.0 hex wrench, and one of the screwdriver. This. Okay. So first we use this model one, 2.0 hex wrench. So you see, if some of the screw you have strap it, so you may use one of the paper onto it, so you can still take it off. All right, so we're taking the 2 side bolts off. This one is a little different because I have added the light. Okay. All right. Okay, so on the case there are 4 set screw. We take all of them off. Now we need to disassemble the this coupler. We use 2.5 hex wrench. All right, so this is off too. Okay, please handle with care. Don't push too hard. See, one of the cable connected to the fan is here. Okay. So now we can see, let me show you. The first 2, pin 1 from left to right, pin 1, pin 2 is for the heating tube. Heating tube here. So pin 3, pin 4, these are for the light. Right here, from this side go back. These 2. The last 2 pin is for the fan, connected to here, this fan. This fan to the extruder cooling fan. Go back. Still pin 3, pin 4. We combine the cable together. So this is the fan for the extruder cooling. For the thermistor, the last 4, 3, 4, last 3, 4. If you go this series, it's number 5, number 6, number 5, number 6, thermistor, 5 and 6 thermistor. 1, 2 for the heater. 3, 4 for the filament cooling fan. 5, 6 for the thermistor, the white cable. So the last 2 is for the side fan, for the extruder side fan. Okay, to disassemble it, you need a screwdriver. Put it down. Let me take off this light so you can see. Pin 3, pin 4. Loose this by 2 or 3 turns. So this 2 pin can be off. And to install it, you just insert the 2 pin and tighten up the screw. There's no polar, plus polar or minus, no. There's no, so we just insert it into pin 3 and pin 4. It requires a little skill, so you need to handle Okay, after you insert, you tighten up the bolt to lock it. All right, the second pin. You may need to twist the cable so it can be into one group of the cable like this, so it's easier to be inserted. If the opening of the clamp is not open too much, you can raise it more up and then you tied it. All right, so this is well locked. All right, let's reassemble it. So push it back. I have this one is a light here to be installed here. So it's easy to push back, and I will lock the light first because it's moving. Okay, change one of the driver. The safety screw. Okay, on this side it's a 4 millimeter safety screw. Right. Okay, so on top there are 2 of the safety screw. Okay, on the top of the coupler, insert the coupler, screw it up. Right. Okay, it's too tight. All right. Okay. So now install back the fan shroud. and lock it. Make sure you push it to well lock so the wind can go through. It cannot be like this, or only there's some gap. It must be pulled down fully and lock, so it has a better the wind flow to the tip of your nozzle. Thank you.